Hi everyone. Client proposals are generated from the estimate in Ressio. I'm on the estimate right now and I've populated this from a template. Currently I have it collapsed, but if I wanted to expand it, I could to show the more granularity on the estimate. And it's important to note that you're able to stack multiple estimate templates onto single estimates. So right now I have an additional template. It's just a very simple bathroom remodel template that I could add in, and that would just flow right to this existing estimate. When the estimate looks good and you want to generate a proposal, you can do that by clicking Create in the top right and drafting a new proposal. This document will be generated and I can change the name if I'd like. And then I can use the toggles over here to choose the level of detail I'd like to include or not include. This information is pulling directly from the estimate. These descriptions are pulling from the description box in the estimate. The level of detail that you include on the proposal will differ whether it's a fixed price job or a cost plus job. For this one, I'm doing a cost plus job, so I'm showing a lot of detail. And at the bottom, I'm including transparency into my builder fee as well. If it were a fixed price job, I could show just a total price on this proposal. I can include terms and conditions on these proposals, signature lines, and additional files if I'd like. On this job that I have right now, I have two customer contacts, Jacob Morgan and Haley Morgan. And under signature settings over here, I can choose whether or not I'd like to mandate that both clients need to sign off on this proposal to constitute an approval. On this proposal, I could discard right now if I wanted to. I could save and approve internally if I wanted to, but I'm going to go ahead and actually release this out to the client. From here, the client will get notified and they'll just click on a link and be brought right to this document. But this is so to play this all back, your proposals are generated from the estimate in Ressio. You can toggle the level of detail you'd like to include on the proposal, and then it's sent out for approval into the client portal. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.